Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my low carb keto grocery haul from Trader Joe's. Before beginning the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also give a big thumbs up to this video. First thing I got from Trader Joe's is the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning. I got raw almond butter, 2 packs of cream cheese, a dozen of eggs. I'm going to use this eggs for making keto bread. And I got frozen edamame or soybeans. I also got organic frozen spinach which I can use in smoothies. And then I got a head of cauliflower, some nutritional yeast. This is rich in vitamin B and also gives a nice cheesy flavor to your dishes. So I like to use it. And then I have some sunflower seed butter. And this has only 2 net carbs per 2 tablespoons. And next I also got some onion salt. And I'm excited about these. These are yellow and red roasted peppers. These are fire roasted peppers. And per serving it only has 1 net carb. Next I'm excited to try this green dragon hot sauce. And it has only less than 1 net carb per serving. And next I'm excited to find this dip. It's called cashew fiesta dip. And it has 0 net carbs, as you can see, because total net carbs is 2 and fiber is 2 and no added sugars. And then I got some frozen artichoke hearts, and the net carbs for this is only 1 gram per serving. And the last thing I got from Trader Joe's is the unexpected cheddar cheese. It's their specialty cheese and very popular. The total carbs is 0. I hope you enjoyed this small grocery haul video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.